Just close your eyes and observe your breath. That's it. Observe your breath. As you observe your breath without manipulating it, it will spontaneously slow down. And now bring your awareness into your heart, right in the middle of your chest, and ask yourself, who am I? Don't worry about the answer. Ask yourself, who am I? Am I the changing body, or am I the spirit or awareness in which the changing body is an experience? Am I the changing mind? Am I the changing emotions, or am I the spirit, the soul, the awareness in which all that is happening? Who am I? And now mentally ask the question, what do I want? What is my deepest desire? Don't try to answer the question. Allow any sensation, any feeling, any thought, any image to come to you. And whatever comes to you is the right response. What do I want? Ask yourself, what do I want? A few times. And then allow whatever comes to you comes from the depth of your being. Third question, what is my purpose? Why am I here? What is my purpose? Again, there's no answer except what comes to you. What is my purpose? Why do I exist? Allowing any sensation, any image, any feeling, any thought that comes to you. And the fourth question, what am I grateful for? This is the window, the door, the transformational vortex to infinite abundance. Gratitude will open the door to abundance. What am I grateful for? Asking that question and allowing any sensation, any image, any feeling, any thought to come to you. What am I grateful for? Okay, now in your mind, start to repeat your full name to yourself. I am Deepak Chopra, I am John Doe, I am Mary Smith. Repeat your name. And now bring into your awareness all your fears, all your challenges, all your opportunities, all your stresses. Not going on. So be aware of all the problems or challenges or even opportunities, because they're all the same thing. Bring them in your awareness. And now please drop your name altogether. Instead of saying I am John Smith or I'm Mary Doe, just say I am with no name attached to it. No history, no anticipation, no regrets, just I am. Mentally, I am. I am. And now if you want, replace I am with the mantra, aham, which is the sound of existence. Aham. Let's do that for about 30 seconds. I'll track the time mentally. Aham. And finally, release the mantra and rest in the presence of your own being. Be aware of your own presence. This is who we are, a silent presence. Presence has no shape, no color, no sound. It doesn't exist in time. It is eternal, and it is who we are. So rest in your own being. And finally, before we come out, bring your awareness back into your body and mentally introduce the intention, joyful, energetic body. Joyful, energetic body. Now bring your awareness to your heart and introduce the intention, loving, compassionate heart. Now bring your attention to your third eye between your eyebrows and the intention, creative, quiet mind, creative, alert mind. And finally, let your awareness expand beyond the boundaries of your skin and pervade all of space-time. And the intention, lightness of being, lightness of being. Now feel your body once again and open your eyes and just remember to carry that presence with you. God's language is silence. Everything else is a poor translation. Thank you.
Namaste. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Deepak Chopra.